In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom conversion tracking in your Acuity Scheduling account. This process will allow you to gain valuable insights into your customer interactions, particularly when they complete a booking. Stick with me as we walk through each step to ensure a seamless integration of this powerful feature. First, let's get started by logging into your Acuity Scheduling account. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the web address. Then type in your credentials. It's great to reinforce the habit of creating strong, secure passwords and using two-factor authentication for added security. These small steps can make a big difference in protecting your account information. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the navigation menu where you will find an option labeled Integrations. Click on this to proceed to the next stage. Integrations are your gateway to expanding the capabilities of your scheduler, allowing it to work in harmony with other platforms you may be using. In the list of integration options, look for Custom Conversion Tracking. This is the section where you'll configure your settings. Now that you're here, you'll notice a script provided to you. This script is the key to enabling custom conversion tracking, as it sends a specific message to your website whenever a booking is completed. This is crucial for tracking customer behavior, allowing you to analyze whether your marketing efforts are converting into actual appointments. What you need to do next is copy this first script. Make sure you select the entire content accurately. Missing even a single character can result in functions not performing as expected. With the script copied, navigate over to the conversion tracking script box within Acuity. This is where the magic happens. Carefully paste the script into the box. It's important to ensure there's no additional white space or characters added accidentally when pasting. If everything looks good, go ahead and click to save your settings. And there you have it. By saving these settings, you've successfully implemented a method for continuously monitoring when a booking is completed on your site. This data is invaluable when making decisions about marketing strategies and understanding your customer base better. By ensuring you have conversion tracking in place, you'll have a clearer picture of the effectiveness of your efforts. Every booking completed is an opportunity to learn and refine your approach, making sure your business is not only meeting, but exceeding its goals. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now set up to take full advantage of custom conversion tracking in Acuity Scheduling. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online